The last section of IPECS 1 for iOS that we are going to demonstrate is the chat functionality, which can be located in the bottom right of the IPECS 1 home screen. Here you can see your chat history, including your previous messages you have sent. These can also be filtered, only showing unread or favourite messages. You can also leave all of your chats by selecting Delete History in the top right-hand corner of the screen. To create a new chat, tap the plus icon at the bottom right of the screen and then search for the colleagues that you want to join the chat. For example, we'll add Tom and Ed. Tap OK, and you can see that the chat has now started. Attach a file into the chat by clicking on the bottom left of the screen, or send a message by dialing into your keypad as normal. Now we will initiate a call from the chat. You can do this by tapping on the top right of the screen. Now select the option to join a group call by tapping on the phone icon in the left of this screen. If you wanted to add a new participant to the chat, you can invite users by tapping on the invite key and searching for another colleague. For example, let's add Tim. Now Tim has been added to the conversation.